In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Beginner Tutorial Set Your Store Time Zone. If your reports look off by a few hours, or your discount codes start and stop at the wrong times, your store is probably set to the wrong time zone. The good news is that the fix is quick, and it keeps everything, from sales data to automated emails, running exactly on your local schedule. Start in your Shopify admin. Head to the bottom left corner and click Settings. You'll land right on the store details page, and that's exactly where we need to be. Think of this page as your store's core profile. It controls important defaults that shape how your business operates behind the scenes. Now, scroll down until you reach the section called Store Defaults. This area manages your store's currency, your units of weight, and, most importantly for today, your time zone. The time zone setting determines how timestamps appear in your reports, when scheduled discounts go live, and when automated tasks and emails are triggered. Getting this right means your data makes sense, and your promotions fire right when you planned. Click the Time Zone dropdown. You'll see a list of cities that represent different time zones around the world. Choose the city that matches your location. If you don't see your exact city, pick the nearest major city in the same time zone. If your team works across multiple regions, select the place where you actually operate and schedule your campaigns, so your admin view and automations line up with your working hours. Shopify will handle daylight saving time changes automatically for that region, so you don't have to adjust it seasonally. Once you've selected your time zone, go to the top right and click Save. That's it. The change applies immediately. You may notice that order times, analytics, and upcoming scheduled events now reflect your local hours. This alignment helps keep your reporting accurate and your customer experience consistent. Your discount codes, price rules, and automations will now start and stop according to the time you expect, which is essential for promotions and launches. Proper timing is a small detail that makes a big difference. With your time zone set, your store runs on your schedule, your reports are accurate, and your automations feel seamless. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a properly synced store.